Okay. Hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I'm so happy. This is a loser unboxing. I am guessing what it is already. Yeah, it's 2025. Bye-bye. I am officially done with my job in 2025. Cha-cha! Oh, kind of excited to see it. So, over the year, my vision is starting to deteriorating with age, and now it's a time that it's time to have a new pair of glasses. And I usually go to Costco to buy a set of 3 glasses, which works very well for me. But the Costco glasses stop at a certain degree. I am beyond it, so I need new glasses. 1, 2, 3. So oh my goodness, 4 pairs. 4 pairs of glasses. And this one is, oh, this looks so good. This is a daily reading glasses. And I do not need to be too super duper close to my to the book, and there is another one that need to be even closer to the book. So that one you will see quite soon. IURL. That looks pretty good. A little bit large. Actually, this is quite wide. Let's take a look. Oh, it's very comfortable. It is very comfortable. You want to see how Let's take a look. The lighting is a little bit strange. This one, it's quite wide actually. See, it can goes to be so big, but it does not goes to smaller as I want it. I want it a little bit smaller. And this is another one. Now see this one, a little bit wide, a little bit wide. It, when you go, it will lose down. And if you use it as a hair, to do like this, to take care of the hair, it does not do the job. See, it falls down. Maybe I can bend it a little bit wide. This kind of butterfly or cat eye usually have a wider edge. The red goes well with my pullover, my beard. Now this is the blue one. It's not totally black. This is dark blue. And this one is, it's very, very open up, but a little bit too wide. A little bit too wide. But it's usable. It's still very usable. It's not something that I go very, very down. Okay, let's take another look of the other one. Here is another one. This is another different brand, but oh, look at it. It seems almost the same product. YTDBN. Yes. And this one is much stronger. YTDB. This one is much stronger. It's a little bit more fancy. Take it out. These are loser unboxing. Okay. 2 pairs. 1, 2. A red, a blue. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Today I wear red. Still, this is a little bit wide also. Do I have a small face or something? Every time I buy, I feel that it's a little bit wide. I don't think I have a small face. I have an ordinary face. And I have this kind of, they call it a retro style, or this kind of a round style for a deeper degree. Oh, it's quite comfortable actually. And for reading, cell phone, reading something very close, reading a book. Yeah, this one is, read these books. If I want to read books, this is the degree. If I use this one, it's a little bit blurry. But this one is much better. Now we take a look at the blue one. They are quite pretty. Or quite fun to use. That's it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Oh, I can see very clearly close up. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye. Okay, now with red. And this one. One is butterfly, one is retro style. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.